Which Troy Bilt Tb22 trimmer tune-up parts are actually worth your time? It seems like every option is just a different label on the same old thing. But today, I'll cut through the noise and show you what really makes a difference.
Product number 1, Pro Chaser Carburetor Kit. The Pro Chaser Tb22 Tb2522S carburetor. Priced at $16.98, this carburetor caught my attention with its compatibility across various Troy Bilt models. If you're looking to restore your trimmer's power and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Pro Chaser carburetor ensures a precise air-fuel mixture, which is critical for optimal engine performance. It fits models like the Tb22, Tb255, and Tb2522S, meaning you can breathe new life into your trimmer. With over 400 units sold in the past month, it's clear others are trusting this part to get their machines running smoothly again. The kit even includes necessary accessories like gaskets, a primer bulb, and a spark plug, saving you extra trips to the store. Now, some folks did mention that installation can be tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic tools, you'll likely manage just fine. But if you prefer plug-and-play solutions, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you own a Troy Bilt trimmer and want an affordable way to boost its performance. Skip this one if you want a hassle-free replacement without any installation work. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next product might be a better fit for maintenance without the fuss.
Product number 2, Javan Yimin Tune-Up Kit. The Javan Yimin Tune-Up Kit, available for $15.99. This kit grabbed my attention because it combines a carburetor, spark plug, and air filter into one package. If you want to maximize your trimmer's performance without breaking the bank, check this out. What makes this kit special is its compatibility with multiple engine models, ensuring it can tackle common issues like oil leaks and idling problems. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly by optimizing the air-fuel mixture. With over 300 of these kits sold recently, it's gaining traction among Troy Bilt users. The materials used are high quality, which means long-lasting performance, and the straightforward installation process makes it a breeze for most users. However, some reviews mention that the spark plug quality could be better. Here's the thing though, it still gets the job done for most users, and if you're aware of this, you could always swap in a higher quality plug later on. This kit is a great choice if you want an all-in-one solution for your Troy Bilt trimmer. Pass on this if you need a specific part rather than a kit. For its price point, it offers excellent value. Alright, that was a great option, but the next one on my list is perfect for those who prefer individual parts and want to keep their machine running like new.
Product number 3, Latair Air Filter and Spark Plug Kit. The Latair Air Filter and Spark Plug Kit is next on the list, priced at just $7.49. What stood out to me about this combo is how it makes routine maintenance easy and efficient. If you're looking to ensure your mower runs smoothly, this is a practical solution. This kit fits multiple Troy Bilt models and is designed for quick replacements. You get a spark plug and air filter that help with airflow and ignition, which are crucial for reliable starts and fuel efficiency. Many users appreciate how easy it is to install. No special tools are needed. That's important when you want to get back to mowing quickly. With over 200 kits sold, it's clear that many find this combo beneficial for keeping their mowers in peak condition. However, some users have reported that this combo may not last as long as they hoped. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something that lasts all season, you might need to replace this more frequently. But for the price, it's still a solid buy for regular maintenance. This kit is perfect for those who want to keep their Troy Bilt mower performing well without hassle. Skip this if you're looking for heavy-duty parts that last longer. It's a great deal for its price. Now, if you want an even simpler solution for your trimmer, the next product might just be the answer.
Product number 4, Latair Lawnmower Tune-Up Kit. Another option from Latair, a lawnmower tune-up kit priced at $7.99. This kit is almost identical to the previous one, but tailored to a broader range of models. If your Troy Bilt lawnmower needs a refresh, this could be the right fit. What's great about this kit is its compatibility with various models, meaning you can rely on it to work with different engines. It includes the same air filter and spark plug combo, which help improve engine performance and fuel efficiency. What's impressive is how many people have bought this kit. 200 plus in the past month alone shows it's popular among users looking for reliable parts. Some users noted that while it fits well, the spark plug could be of better quality, but honestly, if you're okay with occasional replacements, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be aware that you might want to consider upgrading the spark plug down the line. This kit is ideal if you have multiple Troy Bilt models and want a straightforward maintenance solution. Pass on this if you need something for a specific model. For the price, it's a decent investment. Now, if you're looking for something to keep your trimmer running without frequent replacements, check out the next product.
Product number 5, Operozona String Trimmer Spool. We have the Operozona Replacement String Trimmer Spool with a price tag of $29.99. This caught my eye because it's specifically designed for the Troy Bilt Tb22 and other similar models. If you want to keep your trimming tasks efficient, this is a great option. What sets this spool apart is its compatibility with a variety of trimmers, meaning you can use it for different jobs without hassle. It's designed to ensure that you get clean cuts every time, which is critical for maintaining your yard. Plus, the 11.3-ounce weight means it's easy to handle. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clear that others are finding it useful for their trimming needs. However, some reviews mention that the line could become tangled if not installed properly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. Just be sure to follow the installation instructions carefully. This spool is perfect if you're looking for reliable performance from your trimmer. Skip this if you want something lightweight and easy to manage without any setup. It's a solid value for the price. To sum it up, all these products offer unique benefits for your Troy Bilt Tb22 trimmer. Whether you need a carburetor, a tune-up kit, or replacement spools, there's something here to help you keep your trimmer running smoothly.
To wrap it up, we covered the Pro Chaser carburetor, Javan Yemen tune-up kit, Latea air filter and spark plug kit, Latea lawnmower tune-up kit, and Operozona string trimmer spool. Each of these products has its strengths and could be the right fit depending on your specific needs. Just remember to choose wisely for the best results with your Troy Bilt Tb22 trimmer.